Okay, guys, today what I'm going to be talking about is an incredible project that everybody knows about, RebelSatoshi. Now, guys, these have done very, very well recently, all right? Their community has grown huge. But I want to talk about a specific point of the ecosystem today. After this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. Guys, RebelSatoshi is the biggest of this year. Now, you can see it here, RebelSatoshi. I'm going to give you a quick overview of exactly what this is in case you don't know. But if you don't know, I'll be very shocked. So it's the meme coin movement on a mission to deliver true decentralization at 100 million market cap. Now, guys, the stage to finish. Look how many of these have sold. Absolutely insane. I'm actually going to show you me buying these very soon. Stage to finish is in 17 days, all right, guys, and then it'll move on. Now, let me just get into a little bit about this. So what is RebelSatoshi? This is the world of RebelSatoshi, a Web3 community-driven ecosystem that embodies and celebrates revolution, freedom, and unity. A RebelSatoshi stands as a beacon for those who dare to challenge the norms, creating an ecosystem that includes an engaging and fun gaming, arcade including play-to-earn titles, multi-trait rare NFT digital collectibles, and of course, merch. Now, they believe in the power of unity and disruption, fueling the spirit of defiance against centralized control systems. Guys, all you got to do is join the mission, igniting the global refocus towards decentralized empowerment. Again, I'm going to show you very soon how you can get yourself some of these insane, unique characters. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you. No, I'm not. I'm going to show you very soon how you can get some of the token, but look at these unique characters, guys. Unbelievable, all right? Absolutely in love with these. The ecosystem. Now we're starting to get into it. RBLZ is the main focus of this video. This is an insane token, guys, all right? It's a base currency to support everyday transactions, including purchase fees and rewards, okay, as well as a long-term investment in gold for membership governance. Now, this is the main bit I want to be showing you. I want to really show you how you can buy it, but first, I want to give you a little bit more in-depth about it. Okay, guys, so the tokens, this is going to be really cool. Now, they got two. RBLZ is a long-term investment in gold for the user membership governance. And what I really want to focus on today is the incredible RECQ. That is a base currency to support everyday transactions. Now, when we look at the tokenomics, guys, the RBLZ token, all right, Rebels, the governance and membership token, it's got voting rights, no buy and sell tax, token burn event, stake to earn, okay, Recusant membership, contribute to the ecosystem. Members can join the core team, early bird, free NFT drops, and discount on merch. They have their contract address there. Now, with RECQ, which you can see is what's on the stage to finish, Rebels went really well, guys. This did really well. Now, with RECQ, is in phase 1, all right? It's got lot liquidity, no buy and sell tax, buyback program, play-to-play arcade games. You can buy NFTs, buy merch, buy fees, play-to-earn games, rewards program, major global market, free-to-play. And you can actually earn RECQ for ecosystem participation. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to buy the token. All right, you can see up here amount in USD. I'm going to choose $50. I'm going to pay with crypto, but I want to connect my wallet. Okay, you can actually just pay with crypto and send it to their wallet. I just want to connect my wallet because I have enough in there. You select the token that you would like. All right, I'm going to choose BUSD. All right, I always pay with Binance. All right, very easy. All right, I'm going to send $50. All right, I'm going to select BUSD. And guys, please always know we have a promo code. RE14 is going to get you so much more crypto, guys. You're going to get an extra 14%. Now, if you go to pay using Connect Wallet, choose MetaMask or whatever wallets you want to choose. I always use MetaMask because I absolutely love it. Okay, you'll see that it switches your network to the correct one on MetaMask. So now, guys, I can actually pay for this for $50. Okay, I'm going to send BUSD. And guys, simply click pay now. All right, once you've clicked pay now, okay, you'll see the pending action. All right, it is loading. You'll confirm the transaction fee. And then, guys, it is as easy as that. You see transaction initiated. Please wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Once it's confirmed, guys, there you have your tokens. If you want to buy more, guys, again, you can use any method that you would like. You can use the pay with crypto, the pay with card, or the Connect wallet, okay? It's completely up to you. And there you go, guys. Easy as that, okay? After that great success with the first token, guys, they are up to 25.7 thousand followers. And now you're just seeing how easy it is to buy this token. It is at rebel_Satoshi, REBEL_SATOSHI. If you want to get involved with the community, go on Twitter, right? See how well this new token is doing inside of this, because it is easily going to do much more momentum than the first token, and that's just going to bring them both up to an incredible level. So make sure you do follow their official Twitter, guys. There you go, guys. I'm so excited about this. This is incredible, all right? Their first token blew out the water. This is about to do even bigger things. Get excited for this. Hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell down below. Get some of the token just like I did with that link down below. Let's get going.